Morning, Leo.
Morning.
Why are you standing outside at 6 a.m.?
Because today, our lives might change.
That's a very dangerous sentence.
No, seriously.
You said the same thing before buying that mini blender.
Okay, first of all, that blender looked powerful online.
It made one smoothie and then died.
We don't talk about that.
So, what is this about?
Look,
A backpack?
not just a backpack.
Hiking boots?
Yes.
A shovel?
Yes.
Gloves?
Yes.
Why do you look like you're preparing for a tiny war?
Because today, we're going to the mountains
Oh,
to look for gold.
sorry. I thought you said gold.
I did.
Real gold?
Maybe.
Ah, maybe.
Don't make that face.
What face?
That face.
Leo, people don't just wake up and find gold on a random Tuesday.
Why not?
Because life usually doesn't work like that.
You sound negative.
I sound normal.
Listen, last night I watched this video.
Oh no.
A guy found gold near a mountain river.
Online?
Yes.
That's already scary.
Why?
Because at 2 a.m., every video feels like a good idea.
He had tools, he had maps.
Did he also have dramatic music?
Yes.
Of course.
But he found something.
Leo,
What?
people online also fight bears and build houses in forests.
Okay, but
No. No.
I already packed snacks.
You packed snacks?
Sandwiches,
What kind?
chicken,
Keep talking.
and chocolate.
Okay, now I trust this trip more.
I knew it.
Wait, do you actually expect to find gold?
Honestly,
Yeah?
a little.
A little?
Okay, maybe a lot.
Wow.
What?
Your confidence is fascinating.
Come on, imagine this.
Okay.
We walk into the mountains,
Mm-hmm.
we search quietly.
Right.
Suddenly,
Suddenly?
gold.
Just lying there?
Maybe shining under sunlight?
That's not gold.
How do you know?
Because that's how treasure looks in cartoons.
You know, I didn't expect you to destroy my dream this early.
I'm not destroying it.
You kind of are.
I'm protecting you from disappointment.
Maybe I don't need protection.
Maybe you do.
So, are you coming? We have sandwiches, fresh mountain air, adventure, possible gold.
You really know how to sell bad ideas.
Is that a yes?
Fine.
Yes.
But one thing.
What?
I don't expect gold.
Okay.
I expect a long walk.
Fair.
I expect pain.
Also fair.
And I expect you to complain after 1 hour.
That feels personal.
Because I know you.
Wow.
Ready?
Ready.
Today will either change our lives.
Or become a very funny story.
Honestly?
What?
Probably the second one.
Wow.
What?
This place actually looks amazing.
I told you.
Why does mountain air feel expensive?
Expensive?
Yeah, like people in ads always breathe like this.
That's strangely specific.
Look at those trees.
To
And listen.
what?
Exactly.
Quiet.
No cars.
No phones.
No people.
Just nature.
And 2 future gold hunters.
You still sound very confident.
Because today's energy feels lucky.
Lucky energy is not science.
Not everything has to be science.
That's exactly how people make bad decisions.
Too late now.
Fair enough.
How long have we been walking?
Maybe 40 minutes.
Really?
Yes.
Huh.
Why?
It feels longer.
That's because you've asked 3 times already.
I did not.
You absolutely did.
No way.
First, near the bridge. Then, next to that big tree. And 5 minutes ago.
Okay, maybe.
Maybe.
Fine, yes.
Thank you.
I just thought we'd arrive faster.
Arrive where? Exactly.
Good point. Wait.
What?
The video guy had a river.
Yes?
He said rivers move small pieces of gold.
You remembered that?
Of course.
I thought you only remembered the dramatic music.
Very funny. I think the river should be close.
You think?
The map says so.
You have a map?
Well,
Leo.
sort of.
Leo.
It's a screenshot.
A screenshot.
Yes.
From your phone?
Yes.
From a random video online?
When you say it like that, it sounds worse.
Because it is worse.
Relax, we are still alive.
Amazing. What a high standard.
Okay.
Hmm?
Now my legs hurt a little.
Already?
Just a little.
We haven't even reached the river.
Wait,
What now?
I hear water.
Really?
Yeah, listen.
Oh,
You hear it too?
I do.
Yes.
Don't celebrate yet.
Why?
Because finding a river and finding gold are very different things.
Details.
Important details.
Wow.
Okay, this is beautiful.
This is exactly like the video.
Please stop saying that sentence.
Look at these rocks.
There are many rocks,
Which means possibility.
which means rocks.
Hmm?
What are you doing?
Looking carefully
At dirt?
at opportunity.
Ah, yes. Inspirational dirt.
Wait,
Did you find something?
maybe.
Really?
Hold on.
Leo!
Wait,
Leo!
it's a leaf. In my defense, it looked shiny.
Incredible.
Don't laugh.
I'm trying very hard.
Okay, maybe finding gold takes time.
That's the first smart thing you've said today.
Excuse me?
Leo, not everything happens quickly.
Yeah, but...
Sometimes people quit because results don't happen fast enough. Maybe we just need to be more patient.
Patient?
Yes.
I don't love that word.
Why?
Because patient usually means waiting.
And?
I don't enjoy waiting.
Nobody does.
I like exciting things.
Gold is exciting.
Exactly.
Walking for 3 hours before finding gold?
Less exciting.
Much less exciting.
You know something?
What?
I suddenly understand why people give up.
Why?
Because at the beginning, everything feels exciting. Then reality arrives.
And reality is usually slower.
Much slower.
That's why being patient matters.
So? How much longer?
Leo,
What?
we just had a conversation about patience.
Right. Still, how much longer? Okay. I think I'm officially tired now.
Officially?
Yes, not a little tired, not kind of tired,
Ah,
real tired.
I was wondering how long it would take.
You knew this would happen?
I know you.
That's rude.
That's experience.
My legs hurt.
Mine too.
My back hurts.
Same.
My hopes are also starting to hurt.
That one sounds serious.
Emma, we've been here for hours.
Yeah.
We walked, climbed, searched, moved rocks, looked near the river, and we found absolutely nothing.
Not exactly.
Here we go again.
What?
That voice.
What voice?
The voice you use before saying something deep?
I don't have a voice for that.
You absolutely do.
Fine. I just think something interesting happens when things become difficult. At the beginning, excitement carries you. Everything feels fun because everything still feels possible. But later, when you're tired and uncomfortable, excitement slowly disappears, and suddenly you're left with a simple question.
Which is?
Do I still want to continue?
You know, I think I just realized something.
What?
I thought this trip would feel exciting all day.
And?
But now I realize that most things aren't exciting all the time.
That's true.
Learning something, building something, improving at something,
Those things are usually slower than we expect.
much slower.
Yeah.
I also realized something else.
There's more?
I complain a lot.
I was waiting for you to discover that.
Wow.
Sorry.
No, actually, maybe you're right. Funny.
What?
This morning I thought we would come here and quickly find something amazing. But now I don't even know if today was really about gold anymore.
Leo?
Yeah?
What's that in your hand?
Wait. Wait!
What?
I think I see something shiny.
Leo.
No, seriously this time.
Don't do this to me.
Emma,
What?
I think this might actually be...
Gold?
Wait.
Leo.
Wait.
Leo.
I'm checking. It's a bottle cap.
A bottle cap?
Yeah.
We climbed a mountain, walked for hours, searched near rivers, and found trash.
Please don't say it like that.
I'm trying very hard to stay supportive right now.
I think part of me just left my body. Don't laugh.
I can't help it.
Emma,
I'm sorry.
you're not sorry.
No, not really.
You know what's strange?
What?
I thought I would feel more disappointed.
But you don't?
A little, sure. I mean, we came here looking for gold. We found nothing. If someone asked me this morning how the day would end, this is definitely not the answer I would give.
Yeah.
But strangely, I still feel okay.
I think I understand.
Really?
This morning you were thinking about results.
Gold.
Gold. But somewhere between the walking, the river, the complaining, and your dramatic emotional journey,
Wow.
something changed.
Maybe.
You stopped thinking only about the finish line.
You know, I think I understand now.
Understand what?
Why people quit things too early.
Why?
Because at the beginning, we want quick results. We want proof that something is working. But sometimes progress is very quiet. Sometimes nothing exciting happens for a long time, and you start thinking you're wasting your time.
That's true.
But maybe that doesn't mean nothing is happening.
So, what did we actually find today?
Not gold,
Definitely not gold.
but maybe something more valuable.
More valuable than gold?
Patience.
Hmm.
And maybe this too.
What?
Just because you don't see results today doesn't mean you're walking in the wrong direction.
That's surprisingly good.
Thank you.
Did you read that online too?
Maybe.
Ready to go home?
Yeah.
Tired?
Very.
Disappointed?
A little.
Happy?
Also a little.
Funny.
What?
We went looking for gold.
And found something quieter.
Something more valuable.
Patience.